What is up, guys, and welcome to another episode of Down South Adventures. Now, back in the day, the thing was, if you wanted really nice custom laser fit floor mats, you were going to pay upwards of $300. Well, I wanted to replace the floor mats in my Raptor because unfortunately I don't have the factory SVT ones. So I went with the brand OEDRO. These are for the front and the rear of a 2010 to 2014 F150 or Ford Raptor as well, and they're less than $100 for all three pieces. So stay tuned, let's see what they look like. Now, right off the bat, I will say this box is huge, and I think that's because the rear of the Raptor is just so big. There's just so much room back there. In my opinion, it's almost like an SUV. All right, so slide this way. All right. Check that out, guys. So I just pulled the front two out of the box. I'm not sure which side is which. I think this may be the driver's side, but you'll see they've got these very nice logos here. It's like a metallic, very satisfying. But yeah, these look like they're going to fit the contour of the Raptor perfectly. Now let's pull that big rear piece out and see what it looks like. All right, so you see the fronts. I'm gonna pull out this big rear section because, guys, it is huge. It is folded up in here. Wow, I guess I didn't realize the rear section was so massive. But yeah, there is the rear section. So let's let me see if I can set up a camera and throw those in. All right, guys, here goes the first one. Now, these are gonna be stiff. And they do have the factory holes here to lock those into place. And you just press. That one's in. And that one is in. Wow, these fit fantastic. Less than $100, guys. Yeah. So, guys, look at how snug they fit the carpet. I mean, these guys fit fantastic, and the actual name right there looks really good. And you'll notice on the passenger side of the Raptor, they don't have those lockdown plates, and I guess it's because we don't have to worry about the mat moving around and getting under a throttle or a brake pedal, something like that. So they just want to make sure the driver stays in place. So let's throw those in. Wow. Yeah, every bend of this truck, this thing probably should have vacuumed a little better. But this thing just sort of hugs. I'm very, very pleased. Yeah, so check this out. This thing just fits. So it's very, very well done. And like I said, the tag there with the name looks good. It doesn't look cheap. And this was kind of folded up, so I'm sure that's gonna lay down once it gets warm. Yeah, I am super pleased with the fit and finish of these, especially for $87. Now, one thing that is a little different that I'm gonna have to do with the rear. So I told you the rear of this thing is huge with the seats folded up. But you see I have this speaker here. So if I go to the actual floor mats, you'll see they have the spot for the speaker cut out of there. So I'm just gonna need to take scissors and trim those up. So I'll get it trimmed and then throw it in. I just wanted to show you guys, I took some thick cutting scissors and just cut that pattern out. I think I did pretty well. And so now I'm just gonna slide this big thing in here. Oh, this fits so good, guys. Wait till I fix that side. All right, guys, this fits beautifully. Let me go back into the wide screen here. Yeah, this fits so good. Like, especially right there. I mean, it just fits so well. I am pretty shocked, to be honest. For that price point, I do a lot of traveling. I throw a ton of stuff in the back of this truck. And for that price point, I thought, you know, I won't have to worry about messing them up. But man, they fit so good. Yeah, I am super happy, guys. Super happy with how those fit. Yeah, and I'm sure the little wrinkle there is going to come out once it gets warm in here. All right, guys. So, you know, when you own a first gen Ford Raptor, they have what's called the Raptor tax. Everything for the truck is way more expensive than for the regular model. But for this actual item, less than $100, badass floor mats. They fit a 2010 to 2014 Ford F150 or Raptor. And I think they fit great. I'm super happy with them. Let me know in the comments what you think of these and what floor mats are you running and how do you think they stack up to these at such a budget price. As always, thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.